Hey guys, I actually have something really important to say, and as it's just pretty important, and as you could tell by the title of this video, I'm actually trolling you guys. April Fools. Of course, I'm not quitting YouTube. Are you kidding? I love YouTube. I think YouTube's pretty fun, and yeah, why would I quit? And also, I've only started, so yeah. Anyways, guys, happy April Fools, and this was dumb, but I hope you enjoyed this like 50-second video, and I'll see you guys in the next video because I'm actually not quitting YouTube. Peace.